Hello lovely people, welcome to Akosia's tasty recipe. I hope you are all doing well. So for today I will be sharing with you my signature saucy pepper stick. This is an extra spice stick sauce that you wouldn't want to miss it. So stay tuned and let's get started. So the first thing is to wash the beef and then wipe the excess water. I did this off camera. And then go ahead and then slice it into thin shape. Please make sure to choose the tender part of the beef, that's the tenderloin, because this recipe doesn't take long to cook. So once I'm done with the beef, I'll go ahead and put it in my bowl and then marinate with 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 1 beef seasoning cube, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 2 tablespoons oil, and then 1 tablespoon honey. Once everything goes inside, go ahead and then mix everything together and then cover with a clean wrap and allow it to rest for 1 hour. The next thing I'm going to do is to chop my vegetables. So I'm using green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and then white onion. Please make sure that the vegetables are fresh because you would want it very crunchy in your sauce. So once I'm done chopping the vegetables, I'll set it aside and then mix my slurry for making the sauce. So in a mixing bowl, I added 1 cup beef stock, 2 tablespoons dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and then 1 teaspoon ginger powder. Mix everything together and then set it aside. So the 1 hour is up and then it's time to fry our beef. So in a saucepan, I added 1 tablespoon oil and then add the marinated beef and allow it to fry. So once the other side fries, you turn it for the other side to also fry. So at this point the beef is ready. I'll put it in a bowl and set it aside. So in the same pan, I'll add 1 tablespoon of oil and then the chopped vegetables, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon beef seasoning, half teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon ginger powder, and then minced cayenne pepper, which is optional. This is just to give it extra heat or spice. Cayenne pepper is very hot, so if you're going to use that, please be careful. You can use any other chilies. Allow this to stir fry for about 5 minutes. Please don't overcook it because you would want your vegetables crunchy. And then go ahead and add your fried beef and then the slurry. So once the celery also goes in, go ahead and then give it a good mix and then allow this to cook on a low heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. Once the sauce is ready, you will see that it has thickened up, and then go ahead and then cook your rice, potatoes, or anything that you would want to enjoy this with. Look at how beautiful this looks. It smells so good. The vegetables is still crunchy and then the meat is tender. My basmati rice is ready and then I'm ready to dig in. You can only watch whilst I enjoy. But please don't forget to try this at home and then enjoy with your loved ones and the family, okay? And please note, if you don't have the beef stock, it's okay. You can replace with water and you will still have the same result. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share. Stay tuned for more and amazing recipes. God bless you all. Bye.